Hey friends, if you wish to fix right-click folder missing, can't create a new folder in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, you can right-click, select new, and then add a folder, but at times you don't find it. So I will only stick to two solutions before we proceed to anything else. The first one is to restart File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Go to Task Manager. Okay. Now wait for it to load and then right click on Windows Explorer and select restart. This is one thing. The screen will flicker for a while and then it will fix the problem. But if it doesn't help, then straight away try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.